Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a caramelized onion grilled cheese sandwich. It's going to be simple, buttery, melty, delicious. Let me show you how I make it. The first thing we're going to do is I've already sliced up my onions. I'm going to get some butter in a pan and just get the butter swirled around so that it coats the entire pan. And then you're going to add a little bit of avocado oil into this as well. And avocado oil just adds an additional richness. Like I said, get the butter all swirled around, and this is quick. This is one of those, you're craving it, you want it, but you want to elevate it just a little bit. So that's what I did with this dish. And I'm gonna get the onions in there, season them up with some salt and some pepper, and start to work on getting the onions caramelized really well. And the beauty of it is this is only about 6 or so ingredients with this particular dish, so anybody can make it. The onions are probably going to take you about 20 minutes because you want to let them really cook down. You could even start and cook them a little bit slower, but for most folks, I just want to give you an idea of the time frame. Add some Worcestershire sauce, or some of that what's that here sauce as I like to call it, and that's going to add some additional flavor. And then a little bit of soy sauce. It's going to give it additional saltiness. And I'm telling you, we're playing with the salty, the sweet flavors here, and then of course the cheesy, okay? And that's what you want with this particular dish. You're going to add in some brown sugar to this, and you only need about 1/3 of a cup. You don't need a whole lot, maybe even 1/4, because I'm only making this sandwich for me, but I'm telling you, you can make this in a heartbeat. And look at those onions, man. Delicious. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Comment on this. Tell me if you would have done something a little bit differently. I like to hear from people when they tell me how they would take my recipes and change them up. Next, you want to get a good Italian loaf, and you want to get some nice slices on it. This bread I got from my local grocery store, and I always get stuff. And if you guys want to know, I'm in Florida, so we go to Publix a lot. You want to take the caramelized onions and you want to spread that on one piece of the bread. And we're using good old-fashioned white American cheese, okay? So you get your American cheese, you put it on there. You put the onions on the other side of the bread. And then you're going to get this bad boy back into a skillet with some butter so you can develop that delicious crust as a grilled cheese has to have, okay? Flip it over. I mean, that looked good already, y'all. Tell me if I'm lying, okay? Get a little bit more butter back in the pan, swirl that around, and then let's get the sandwich in there. I mean, my mouth is watering already. And what I like to do to make sure, I like to use my press. And that's just gonna add some weight so you get the ultimate crust. And then look at the flip. Just like, oh, beautiful. Promise y'all, make this one. You cut it in half, and there you have it. A delicious caramelized onion grilled cheese sandwich. Enjoy. Simple and delicious. Those onions are on point. Quick. Pair it up with any type of soup. Good to go. Enjoy.